Hello. So welcome to my channel, and my name is Mary Manon, and I am going to talk to you today about affiliate marketing. Now, if you do know what affiliate marketing is, this is really for people who do not have one idea what it is. Now, I'm just going to explain it in my words. And if you go to another video that probably is going to pass here too at the end of this one, I'm going to explain really how to work with it. I'm going to give you example where I'm going to show you my screen and all of that. But right now, I just want to make a global explanation about what it is for people who do not know. Okay, let's go. So, first of all, affiliate marketing is basically you are like an entrepreneur. You're working for yourself. And you are promoting somebody else's product by sharing a link that you get, and that link has a cookie with your information that is personal to you, and sometimes that cookie can stay there for 20, 30, 60 days depending on where you got your link. And when you do promote that link, if people decide to buy the product, you make a commission. Now that commission can be 10, 20, 30, 50, as up as 80% commission on that product. Now, it's a really great thing to start when you want to make money online. If you want to listen to more videos that I'm going to show you how to do that, you can check out this video that's going to pass through very soon and follow that link, subscribe to my channel, and ring that little bell when I put a new video on. So as you can see, I am an affiliate. I have links under my video description here that you can follow. Now, there's a lot of links, but there's one link in particular that's really is a top 10 business that you can start to make money online and be an affiliate. Now, if you decide to go through all of the process, yes, I do make a commission because I'm an affiliate. So I want to show you how to do that. So go on to that next video I'm talking to you about, and I'll show you really how it works. So see you then.